This is the perfect breakfast recipe you need to try today. And if you don't know how to make it with just few ingredients, I'll be teaching you how to make this. Hello sweet fingers lovers, welcome to my channel. Let's recreate this breakfast recipe. These are all the ingredients you need: your fresh eggs, your sardine. I'm using sardine as my protein, our liquid milk, and our bread. And these are all the ingredients you need. So first off, you want to add your sardine inside your bowl, and next you want to start to match it up like this with just a fork. You just match it up, and this literally took just seconds in order for me to achieve this. So we're just going to add our fresh eggs to this, and then we'll mix it up together. Next step is to add our milk. Mind you, I didn't add anything to this like my salt or other ingredients because my sardine has a little bit of that to enlighten the taste of my food. So we're just going to add our bread inside like this, soak it, and then turn the other side and do the same. Allow it sit for just some seconds, then we're just going to remove this. I'm also going to add another one so you can understand properly. Turn the other way round, allow it to sit some seconds, then remove it. So in the pot, we're just going to add our non-stick pan to this. Drizzle a little bit of oil to this and just try to spread it around so our bread doesn't stick. So I'm just going to add my bread inside. Mind you, it has to be on a low heat so your bread doesn't get burnt. Allow this to sit between 30 to 35 seconds on a low heat. Then we're just going to flip the other side until we achieve this, which is golden brown. That's when our bread turns golden brown. So this is me checking both sides to see if it is ready. And of course it is, and this is what we have. So I'm also going to try this with another bread so you can understand. So I'm just going to put my bread on the pot. Make sure your fire is on a low heat. Allow it to sit between 30 to 35 seconds. Then I'm also going to flip the other side. That if my bread turns golden brown like this, so my bread is ready, and this is what we have. As you can see, this is one of the perfect breakfast recipe. It is easy, it is delicious, and it is simple. So let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about this recipe. Are you going to recreate this recipe? Do not forget to tag me when you do that. Do not forget to watch our easy and affordable videos. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next. Bye.